Tired of complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your kitchen revolution, simplifying meal prep like never before. This 9-in-1 marvel lets you pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, and so much more, all in one intelligent pot. With 15 customizable smart programs, from making perfect yogurt to effortless eggs, dinner is literally just a button press away, making healthy eating incredibly easy. You'll love the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot that's not only safe, but also a breeze to clean after every delicious meal. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its precise temperature control and advanced safety features, giving you perfect results and absolute peace of mind. Considering buying a pressure cooker or multi-cooker? This model offers incredible versatility and value, truly making it the best kitchen gadget for 2025. Imagine whipping up gourmet meals or simple weeknight dinners faster than ever before, reclaiming your evenings for what truly matters. If you're looking for the ultimate kitchen upgrade, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus using the Amazon link in the description below. It's the smart investment for anyone wanting to cook smarter, not harder, transforming your culinary experience. Seriously, for effortless cooking and consistently delicious results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for every modern kitchen.